Here are 6 simple steps to measure your kitchen to get your best fitting kitchen cabinets. You will need a pencil, a measuring tape, and our template. Our measuring template has everything we need to design your new kitchen. First, fill out your contact info and the required job description. Begin from the left and sketch out your walls. Label each wall in alphabetical order. Measure the size of your walls and write it on the relevant sketch in inches. Next, add window and door openings. Start by measuring from the corner of the wall to the outside of the casing on each opening and mark it on your template. After this, take measurements from one edge to the other of each opening. Mark the measurements on your template in inches. Repeat for all the windows and doors. Also, look for anything that can be in the way of the cabinets like switches, outlets, gas lines, and water lines. Measure from the corner of the nearest wall to where it starts. Mark it on the template walls. Next, mark your appliance positions. Measure from the corner of the wall to the center of the appliance. Finally, measure the ceiling height and any soffits. Take some pictures of your space and send them to our designer. We will contact you shortly.